Chapter 1: Early Life and Family. Bill Gates was born on October 28, 1955, in Seattle, Washington, USA. His full name is William Henry Gates III. Bill grew up in a loving and supportive family. His father, William H. Gates Sr., was a successful lawyer, and his mother, Mary Maxwell Gates, was a schoolteacher and later a board member of several large organizations. Bill had two sisters, Christy and Libby. From a young age, Bill was curious and intelligent. He loved reading books, and his parents encouraged him to explore different subjects. They wanted him to work hard in school and develop a strong work ethic. Bill's family was close-knit, and they spent a lot of time together, which helped shape his values and beliefs. Chapter 2: Discovering a Passion for Computers. When Bill was 13 years old, he was introduced to computers at his school, Lakeside School. The school had a computer terminal, which was a rare thing at the time. Bill was fascinated by the computer and spent countless hours learning how it worked. He and his friends, including Paul Allen, who would later become his business partner, started experimenting with the computer. They learned how to program and create simple software programs. Bill's passion for computers grew quickly, and he became determined to learn as much as he could about them. He spent so much time on the computer that his teachers had to ask him to step away and focus on other subjects. However, Bill's love for computers only grew stronger, and it would soon shape the rest of his life. Chapter 3: Harvard University and Starting Microsoft. In 1973, Bill Gates enrolled at Harvard University, one of the most prestigious universities in the world. However, Bill's heart was not fully in his studies. Instead, he spent most of his time in the computer lab, learning more about programming and thinking about the future of technology. During his time at Harvard, Bill and Paul Allen read about a new computer, the Altair 8800, in a magazine. The Altair was one of the first personal computers, and Bill saw an opportunity to create software for it. He and Paul contacted the company that made the Altair and offered to develop software for it. The company agreed, and Bill and Paul worked tirelessly to create a version of the basic programming language for the Altair. In 1975, Bill made a bold decision. He dropped out of Harvard to start a company with Paul Allen. They named the company Microsoft, a combination of microcomputer and software. Their goal was to develop software for personal computers, a market that was just beginning to grow. Chapter 4: Building an Empire. Microsoft started small, but Bill Gates had a clear vision for the company. He believed that personal computers would become an essential part of people's lives, and he wanted Microsoft to be at the forefront of that revolution. Bill worked tirelessly, often putting in long hours and pushing his team to do the same. In 1980, Microsoft got its big break. IBM, one of the largest computer companies in the world, asked Microsoft to develop an operating system for their new personal computer. Bill and his team quickly developed MS-DOS, which became the standard operating system for IBM computers. This partnership with IBM helped Microsoft become a major player in the software industry. Over the next decade, Microsoft continued to grow. The company developed new software products, including Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, which became essential tools for businesses and individuals. In 1985, Microsoft released Windows, an operating system with a graphical user interface that made computers easier to use. Windows became incredibly popular and helped establish Microsoft as a dominant force in the technology industry. Chapter 5: Becoming a Billionaire. As Microsoft grew, so did Bill Gates' wealth. In 1986, Microsoft went public, meaning that people could buy shares of the company on the stock market. The company's success made Bill Gates one of the richest people in the world. By the age of 31, he was a billionaire. Despite his immense wealth, Bill remained focused on his work. He continued to lead Microsoft with the same determination and vision that had driven him from the beginning. He believed in the power of technology to change the world and wanted Microsoft to be at the forefront of that change. Bill's leadership style was intense. He was known for being demanding and sometimes tough on his employees. However, his dedication and passion for technology were clear to everyone who worked with him. Under his leadership, Microsoft continued to innovate and dominate the software industry. Chapter 6: Philanthropy and Giving Back. In the late 1990s, Bill Gates began to think more about how he could use his wealth to make a positive impact on the world. In 2000, he and his wife Melinda founded the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The foundation's mission is to improve healthcare, reduce poverty, and expand access to education around the world. Bill and Melinda Gates focus their efforts on some of the world's biggest challenges, including eradicating diseases like malaria and polio, improving education in the United States, and providing access to clean water and sanitation in developing countries. The foundation quickly became one of the largest and most influential philanthropic organizations in the world. Bill stepped down from his day-to-day role at Microsoft in 2008 to focus more on his philanthropic work. He believed that with great wealth came great responsibility, and he was determined to use his resources to help those in need. Chapter 7: The Legacy of Bill Gates. Bill Gates' impact on the world is undeniable. As the co-founder of Microsoft, he played a crucial role in bringing personal computers into millions of homes and businesses around the world. His vision and leadership helped shape the modern technology landscape. But Bill Gates' legacy goes beyond technology. Through his philanthropy, he has improved the lives of millions of people around the world. His work in global health, education, and poverty reduction has made a lasting impact and will continue to influence future generations. Today, Bill Gates continues to work on solving some of the world's biggest problems. He is passionate about using technology and innovation to make the world a better place. Whether through his work at Microsoft or his efforts with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Bill Gates' life is a testament to the power of determination, innovation, and giving back. Chapter 8: Continuing to Innovate. Even though Bill Gates is no longer involved in the day-to-day operations of Microsoft, his passion for technology and innovation continues. He is interested in areas like clean energy and climate change and believes that new technologies can help solve these critical issues. Bill has invested in several companies working on cutting-edge technologies, including renewable energy and medical research. He continues to advocate for policies and investments that will drive innovation and create a more sustainable future. Chapter 9: Personal Life and Values. Bill Gates is known not just for his business success, but also for his personal values. He has always been curious and eager to learn new things. He loves reading books and believes that continuous learning is essential for personal growth and success. Despite his wealth, Bill has always lived relatively modestly. He believes in the importance of hard work, perseverance, and using resources wisely. These values have guided him throughout his life and continue to shape his decisions today. Bill and Melinda Gates have 3 children, and they have tried to instill these same values in them. They have also made it clear that their wealth will be used primarily for philanthropic purposes, not passed down to their children. Instead, they want their children to create their own paths in life and contribute to society in meaningful ways. Chapter 10: A Life of Impact. Bill Gates' life is a story of innovation, determination, and giving back. From his early days as a curious young boy to his role as one of the most influential people in the world, Bill has always been driven by a desire to make a difference. His work at Microsoft revolutionized the technology industry, making computers accessible to people all over the world. His philanthropic efforts have improved the lives of millions and continue to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Bill Gates' legacy is not just about wealth or business success. It's about using one's talents and resources to create a better world. His life serves as an inspiration to all, showing that with hard work, vision, and a commitment to helping others, anything is possible. Chapter 11: Looking to the Future. As Bill Gates continues his work in philanthropy and innovation, he remains optimistic about the future. He believes that humanity has the potential to solve its biggest challenges, from climate change to global health, through creativity, collaboration, and the use of technology. Bill continues to speak publicly about the importance of addressing these issues and encourages others to get involved. He is a firm believer in the power of collective action and the idea that we can achieve more together than we can alone. As we look to the future, Bill Gates' life and work remind us of the importance of staying curious, never giving up, and always seeking to make a positive impact on the world. His story is one of success, yes, but more importantly, it is a story of responsibility, compassion, and hope for a better tomorrow. Chapter 12. Reflections on a Remarkable Journey. As Bill Gates reflects on his life, he acknowledges the many challenges and successes that have shaped his journey. He is grateful for the opportunities he has had and the people who have supported him along the way. Bill understands that his journey is unique, but he believes that everyone has the potential to make a difference in the world. Whether through business, technology, philanthropy, or simply being a good neighbor, each person can contribute to making the world a better place. In his speeches and writings, Bill often emphasizes the importance of finding one's passion and pursuing it with dedication and perseverance. He encourages young people to stay curious, keep learning, and never be afraid to take risks. Conclusion: a legacy of innovation and compassion. Bill Gates' life story is one of innovation, determination, and a deep commitment to making the world a better place. From his early fascination with computers to his role as a global philanthropist, Bill has always sought to push the boundaries of what is possible. His work has not only transformed the technology industry, but has also had a profound impact on global health, education, and poverty reduction. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Bill has shown that with great success comes great responsibility, and he has dedicated his life to using his resources for the greater good. As we look to the future, Bill Gates' legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. His story is a powerful reminder that with vision, hard work, and a commitment to helping others, we can all make a lasting impact on the world. Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.